Well, she did score 21 points. So
Oh, almost a set.
Adante Villaflores gives the win to Arellano.
Magandang hugot si Heart Villaflores, ending the match that way. Much to the delight of the Arellano crowd. Sulit yung pagpunta nila dito today. Ang ganda ng performance ng girls.
Good start to the weekend. And what an entry by Heart Villaflores. Repaying the trust that Coach Obet Javier has given her, bringing her in late into this match and delivering for her team. What a win for Arellano. Let's listen to the school hymns of both schools.